So I am going to make the, this is my burping video. Yay. I have a bunch of, like in past video I burped on film or whatever, and now I have a bunch of people, yeah, totally make a burping video, and it'd be awesome to see a girl actually burp or whatever. It's like, never seen a girl burp before. What? Yeah, I'm not always girly. So I have a Dr. Pepper that says Thor on it, and it was really confusing. Thor, Dr. Pepper. You have like a picture of the guy, like that. Awesome. So I'm like, I don't know. I'm not the best burping ever. My friend's actually way better than me. I don't really drink soda either. Like, not really my thing. I think that's all I got right now. It's not so epic burping right now. I think I should have probably held it in a little bit longer. Let's try one more time. See if I can get a good one going for you. Maybe one. Hold on. Ah, it's stuck. Maybe if I drink more soda, it'll come out. There you go. Woo, I did one. So there's my burping video for you. Not so classy of me. Kind of a not so classy of me. But yeah, who said no girls are classy? Not me. You can dress me up, but you can't take me out anywhere. Just joking. I'm not really like that, but yeah. Was bored. Found a soda. Decided to make my video. Enjoy.